What's happening, Gymshark? It's your girl Izzy here from the Grindhouse studio. Today, we're gonna be hitting a 10-minute total body workout. You're just gonna need 2 dumbbells today, and we're gonna get straight to it. So, first movement is gonna be your squat. I need you to grab both those weights now. We're gonna begin with the dumbbells up on the shoulders. I'm gonna show you a couple of reps, and then we're gonna get started. So, elbows are coming up and forward. You want to really think about wrapping the elbows straight in front of you. Toes are slightly turned out, feet underneath you, and you're going to push the knees out as you slowly lower down. We push up, we squeeze the glutes to the top, okay? You're going to be here for 30 seconds. You're going to get a little break, and then I'm going to show you the next movement in that break, so make sure you are checking me out on the screen. Ready? We're going to go in 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1. Tummy tight, core really squeezing in here. Push the knees out and lower those hips like you're trying to sit down on a tiny chair. Push up, squeeze the top. Slow down, 3, 2, 1. Drive up. So we're going to focus on a nice slow tempo on this first one, just because we're getting used to each movement. First round is all about just making sure you've got your technique right, and then you can start to challenge yourself. We got 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 15 seconds time. We're going to hit a deadlift. So your feet want to be parallel now. Shoulder blades are engaged. So draw the shoulders down the back. You're going to send the hips back, soften the knees, bring the dumbbells down either side of the feet, and then we push away and straighten up the body. Okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1. 30 seconds here. Flat back, soften the knees, push away. Again, I want you to just think slow and sexy for this first round. We do not need to rush. Take your time, just chill. Hips back, tap, drive up, squeeze the glutes to the top. Hips back, keep the knees soft, melt to the floor, and push. Good. 3, 2, 1. Last push up. Nice, well done. Okay, next one is gonna be your bent over row. So same sort of position that you were hitting. That flat back is here. Dumbbells are in line with your shins. You're gonna row the dumbbells to your hips, and then you're gonna release down towards the floor, okay? So squeezing into the hips, releasing down, think slow. Ready? 3, 2, 1, here we go. 30 seconds here. Controlling it all the way down, nice. Big pull, and slowly control.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help.
We go 3, 2, 1. Deep breath. Roll the shoulders down the back, hips back. Soften the knees. Tap. Push the floor away. So a little bit faster than what you gave me before would be fabulous. Hips, knees, push. Straighten up. Hips, knees, press the floor away. Good. Perfect. Now don't worry, if you're not that familiar with this, if you're just getting used to a movement like this, you have got time to figure it out. It's all about the process. You don't necessarily nail something the first time you do it. That's why we keep coming back here. It's that consistency through this whole program that's gonna get you there. 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Take your 15, dumbbells down, have a little shake off of the wrists. Ready for your bent over row, flat back. Remember to pull into the hips. It's like you're sliding the weights up and down your thighs. You wanna be able to feel that weight there. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Bent over row, squeeze. Release 2 counts, squeeze. Release 2 counts, good. Now you've got to make sure with this one that you're not too upright. Otherwise this happens and you are not working that back as we need to. So get the chest right over the toes. Pull right into those hips, good. Big squeeze. Squeeze your glutes as well. It's going to protect that lower back. Keep you nice and straight and aligned. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dumbbells down. 15 seconds. Get on your back. We have not got long. We've nearly finished this second round. Dumbbells are going to go up in the air and you're going to lower those elbows. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Control it down. Squeeze it up. 40 seconds here. Let's move a touch faster than we did before. Let's increase that tempo and increase the time. So overall, the volume we do is going to be more. Drop. Squeeze it up at the top. Good. As you push up, press your shoulder blades down into the floor or the bench. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Good. Okay, we got 10 seconds. Let's go. 10 seconds. I'm starting to feel my chest now. Big push. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the elbows. Drop your weights. Let them bring you up. One more round. We're nearly there. So close. Your 10 minutes are nearly up. It's your last round, your last chance. This is like your go for it round, okay? Elbows through with that squat. We're gonna hit it for 50 seconds now. You're only gonna get a 10-second break between each one. Let's smash it. Ready? Dumbbells up on the shoulders. We go in 3, in 2, in 1. Here we go, Gymshark. Push the knees out. Drive up, squeeze the top. Sit in those hips right down low. Squeeze the glutes to the bottom, push the floor away. Bam. Good, nearly there. Drop, squeeze. All the way down, push up, squeeze. Perfect. Use that breath, exhale as you push up. Good, 10 seconds. We take a 10-second break. You hit that deadlift. 4, 3, 2, 1. Dumbbells down. Just take 10 seconds. Pop those dumbbells here. Catch your breath. We go. Deadlift. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Hips back. Melt. Push the floor away. Hips back. Melt the knees. Press everything up. You're so close. You are so close. Stay with me. Hips back. Soften the knees. You're definitely going to feel the hips, glutes, lower back, hamstrings, all up that posterior chain is working overtime now to make sure you are hitting that perfect technique. Even on round 3, every rep needs to be consistently perfect, all right? Squeeze, good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push it up, 10 seconds. Dumbbells back down, breathe. Just enough time to catch your breath. Bent over row. Take breaks when you need to for this one. It's quite a difficult position to hold, okay? We go 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Flat back here. Dumbbells up the thighs. Quickest tempo of the day. Squeeze, release. Now you might not be able to hold this for 50 seconds. That is absolutely fine. All you got to do is stand up, roll your shoulders out, and you get back in. Nearly there. Squeeze, release, squeeze, release. Good. Nice, nearly there. 10 seconds. Last few pulls. Big pull now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dumbbells down. Take a seat. You've got 10 seconds to get into that floor press for the final time. This is it. Last one of the day. We go. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Floor press. Show me. Last round. 1 count down, 1 count up. It's the longest round. It's the quickest round of the day. Just hold on to those weights and push. Big drive up. Good. Challenge yourself today. That's all you got to do. Whatever it is, that one extra rep, that extra bit of effort every single day is what is going to make that progress happen. That is the secret to progress. It's not big, massive changes all at once. It's small challenges every single day. Good. We got 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, elbows down, dumbbells down, release. Well done. That was your total body 10-minute session with me, Izzy. We'll see you in a minute.